Hey dolls and gents, welcome back to another video. Hey guys, I was asked to do a update to what's on my iPhone. This is the iPhone 16 Pro Max. I am in the jump program with Apple, so I'm sorry, this is the 15 Pro Max. The 16 is getting ready to come out, and I do have the option to grab, like, you know, the people that can grab the phone first or pre-order or whatever it's called. So they should be, we're in September, they should be sending me my email to select my 16. I'm probably going to do the 16 Pro Max because I like to get the biggest phones that they have. And the 16 Pro Max is going to be even bigger than this one. This is the 15 Pro Max. So let me show you guys what's on my iPhone. It was requested. So this is my Ring camera. I do have a Ring camera around the place where I live, in a lot of different places, so I can see. And if I click on it, you know, it just shows, you know, certain things on the Ring camera. The calendar camera comes with the phone, FaceTime, of course, and photos. Everything I need right away is on my front screen. So the Find My iPhone for my kids and the hubby, YouTube and YouTube Studio, my emails right where I need them, settings, the clock, Facebook, my T-Mobile, who I have, and I also have the T-Mobile spam blocker, and T-Life, which is your T-Mobile rewards. If you don't know about that, y'all need to make sure y'all have the T-Life app. Now, T-Mobile does suck. Their service sucks, okay? But you get rewards like every Tuesday. Sometimes right now I have Little Caesars. I already used my, did I use it? I think I did, my Auntie Annie's pretzels. You get food. You get, sometimes you can stop by T-Mobile and pick up, like last time they were giving away, like, you know, one of those seats that you can sit on when you go to a game or something. Yeah, last Tuesday they were giving away one of those seats that you can sit on to go to a game or whatever. So this is an app I use for videos, other type of videos, not YouTube videos, Instagram, Amazon, the calculator, TD Bank, and my other banks are in here. I need to move TD Bank in there, but my other banks, I try to keep everything on the front page. Social networking, this is WhatsApp and my sorority. This is WhatsApp, and this is my sorority group, chat group that they have. And this is Christ Fellowship, just a church down here that I attend sometimes. And then at the bottom, I have my phone, my internet, my, what you call that, contacts, and my messages. All right, so on the second page, standard, we have our maps in the App Store and my Apple Watch and the weather. I have my notes, Capital One, TikTok. I don't know why TikTok's not on the front. I don't know why Bank of America's not on the front with the banks, but yeah. Apple Music, voice memos. This is the brunching group that I'm a part of down here. Fetch is what I use to scan my receipts to earn rewards. FP&L. I don't know why this is on this page because it's also on the front page. That's confusing to me. I don't know, but y'all seen it on the front page. These are my other two emails that I don't use that often. They're mainly work emails, like my YouTube email and my off work email. So it's on the second page. Snapchat, I don't really use. I just use it for filters. Apple Wallet. And then as y'all can see, your girl gonna eat. Okay? If I don't do nothing else, I'm gonna eat. Okay? And I'm gonna get my rewards for eating. And here's the other ones. And this just basically happens because these companies make you download the app to get the rewards or to get something. Or T-Mobile Tuesday will have a free pizza or something, or free Chipotle, and you gotta download the app to get it. So it's just another gimmick to put more apps on your phone. Car payments and Progressive and PayPal, Amazon Prime Video, Facebook Messenger, and this is another work from home platform. All right, so going back up here, I have games. I like, how do you say, like matching games or puzzle games. I love bingo. And I don't do Monopoly Go anymore. I don't know why Progressive is over here because it's on the other page. What is going on? And I wonder if I delete it. Y'all, we're going to see. Oh my gosh. Let's go back to the other page. Did it delete it? It deleted it. Oh my goodness. Well, why was it showing up? Okay, I got to go back and put Progressive back on my phone. So I'm going to go to the App Store. Y'all don't mind my desk. It's messy. You guys asked for a video, so I said, let me do it right now. Progressive. And let's just go re-download Progressive. Sorry, Progressive. But it was showing up on 2 pages. That's just taking up space. You know what I'm saying? That's just first page, second page. That's just taking up space. All right. Well, anyways, we're going to let it be what it's going to be. So there's the games. Stuff is showing up as a duplicate. These are all apps that I need to work from home. There's certain things that you have to do to your phone to verify that it's you. PayPal, this is the GIF keyboard if you're iPhone or I think Android too, but where you can send people like not emojis but like GIF characters. I don't know if y'all know what GIF characters is, but even like the little things y'all see pop up when I do videos, I'll try to pop one up now. That's through the GIF keyboard. There's Zoom, AliExpress, Skeepers, and then I think that's cable. Ticketmaster. I don't know why I have Ticketmaster and StubHub. I think I bought tickets to something, and once again, they make you put the apps on your phone. So Ticketmaster and StubHub are the 2 places I use to get tickets. Down here to go out to a lot of the events, brunches, or even when me and my man go out, you got to pay to park. So those are the parking apps. Those are the 3 main parking apps that are down here. I don't know why this is under finance, but it is Walgreens, Walmart, Aldi, Costco, Publix, if that's what they call finance. These are some of the photo video apps that I use for editing my YouTube videos and my photos. If y'all have any other app that's really good for iPhones or Android, send it to me, especially if it's free. The problem with Apple is they want to charge you for everything. Like you get a basic app, and then when you go to edit stuff, you got to pay to upgrade, pay to upgrade, pay to upgrade. So that's why I don't have too many of those. Those are the free ones. Today in the Word is a radio station that I listen to in my car. But sometimes when I'm getting ready to get out the car for work, it be getting good, y'all. And I have to put it on my phone and put my headphones in so I can finish hearing what they said. Of course we're going to have Dunkin' Donuts. And what? Why not? Here's some stations that I like to watch at work, which is VH1 and WeTV. And Progressive came back on there, so I have to sign back into Progressive. The next page, I think LTK Creator was another YouTube app that I did that I cannot figure out. I guess I'll sit down one day and play with it because I haven't figured it out. They've been emailing me too, but whatever. eBay. Receipt Pal is another app that I scan receipts on, so go ahead and download that one if you want to get gift cards for shopping, your normal everyday life shopping. Download that. I Am is an affirmation app that will send I Am affirmations to your phone however you set it up, whether you want them every hour, in the morning, at night, all day. New arrivals. But see, I deserve to be healthy, happy, and successful. So, you know, if you're looking for that type of motivation, it will pop up on your phone when you tell it. Spotify is music. Crop VS is very good for Instagram. Y'all know how Instagram cuts off half of your photos, cuts off half of your pictures. You can use Crop VS to make your picture fit in Instagram. This I use to work from home. Bing, I never really use. Oh, I was using that for that new AI thing. And it's about to start up again. Y'all remember when people were doing AI like the Grinch girl? If you follow me on social media, you saw me posting like the Grinch girl. It's the AI image creator. And you can create like a Grinch girl or whatever. So we about to get back to holiday time. So y'all about to see me create my Grinch girls. So prepare to be sick of me. I don't know what circle is. Oh, yes, I do. Yes, I do. That's something personal that I had downloaded that I have not used. Haha. Cleveland Clinic is just my doctor's office. Mile Q is something I use to track my mileage for work, for tax purposes. Here's all the stores that we can shop at on our phone. You see Victoria's Secret, Nike, Sephora, Ecstasy, Bath and Body Works, Target, Auntie Annie's. Ratkins also gives you points for shopping. Dollar General, Family Dollar, and Ulta. SunPass, if you're from anywhere down here to Florida way, that's how we pay our tolls. I have the Bible app. I don't remember what Freeform is. It's probably another editing app. Waze I use when I'm traveling. It tells me where the police are when I'm traveling, and it also tells me where accidents are. So that's what that does. Alexa, if you don't know what Alexa is, yeah. And I never use that. I have an Alexa in the house, but I don't use it. Influencer is another way to get free stuff to do YouTube videos, or if you just want to get free stuff, but you do have to write an opinion about it. Shein, y'all know what Shein and Temu is. No explanation there. Chrome. And this is my grandbaby's daycare center, and I can log into that and see what she's doing when she's at the daycare. I didn't know I had so many apps. Shazam is for you to get music. This app is another Bible app. I don't remember what V code and emotional code is. Let me see. I think that's how I was doing some of my affirmations or charting something. And V code could be another photo editing app. So all the apps that come with the phone that I don't use are over here. Apple TV, the books. I really need to turn on my stats for the heart monitoring and stuff, but I don't use that. Experian is how you track your credit score. HP Smart is a printer I have in my home, and I can print directly to my phone. Don't remember what Passport is. Robinhood is stocks. I do invest. I've taken a couple of flights this year, as you guys know, so that's why the Fly Delta is on here. This needs to be moved to the work from home because this is something you have to log into to work from home. Meetups is an app in not just my area, but probably your area too, where if you're just sitting bored at home on a Friday night and you want to know if somebody set up a meetup or planning a meetup somewhere or what's going on. It even does concerts, shows, things you got to buy tickets to. If you're just bored and you want to go somewhere, download Meetups. There's the fitness and the AAA, and then more apps. I don't know why all these apps come with this phone. Y'all tell me, because I don't know. Never ever used them. These two, never ever used them. What is this? Whatever. All right. Don't use these either. Guess they come with the phone. These are some other photo, video apps that I downloaded. Oh, hold on, y'all. All right, you guys, sorry for the interruption, but down at the bottom here where I think we were is another Bible. How many pages? This might be the last page out. Okay. I don't use any of this stuff. This was a Brothers printer that I had, so I downloaded the Brothers planner. This looks like more of my Bible apps that are all over my phone. Yeah, these are more Bible apps and a radio station that I listen to in the car. So more Bible apps and a radio station. These are two apps that I use to do YouTube. If you are thinking about getting on YouTube, starting YouTube, this is a very good free editing app for YouTube videos. Better on an Android than an iPhone. This was another camera that I used to have in my home, but I don't have it no more. So I really need to delete that one. Here is, focus. Let me just make it bigger. Eventbrite, which is somewhere where you pay for tickets for shows and stuff. Etsy and DHgate. I really need to organize my phone. But sometimes when I try to organize my phone and get all my apps together, I end up getting overwhelmed, and that's it. Nextdoor is a neighborhood app. You can see if it's available in your area. Half the people are stupid. I'm sorry, they are. Some of the stuff that they be posting going on in the neighborhood, people just need attention, and it's aggravating. So I don't have it popping up like as alerts or anything. If I want to know something's going on in my neighborhood, I'll just click on it. Xfinity is cable. There's another Bible app. Y'all know Twitter went to X. The news app comes with the phone. I think this is how we were making the isn't Facemoji how we were making the Bitmojis, how we make our emoji character that looks like us? I think so. Royal Match is another game. Collaging is, of course, a photo app where you can do a collage. I have the weather app and Credit Karma, so you can check your credit score. So that's all I have on my phone, y'all. My phone is boring, ain't it? I don't know, but it don't look like it. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages of apps. I need to combine some of them apps right now, y'all. So if there's any apps on your phone that you think I would like on my phone, go ahead and comment and put it down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.